In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to navigate your exercises in Curivate. Once you access an exercise on the exercise list, you will see a text saying exercise will start in 15 seconds and this will start counting down. Once it counts down, lightly tap on the screen and you will be able to see the name of the exercise here. Repetition is seen on the top left corner. It means how many times you repeat the exercise. Sets means how many groups of exercise to be completed and is indicated here. The orange circle shows the progress of the exercise. Sometimes you will see a stopwatch within the blue circle instead. This means that there are no repetitions or sets, but to hold a position for the amount of time indicated in the blue circle. When you lightly tap on the screen, you will be able to see a tab on the bottom of the screen. Click on the icon with the 3 lines to see your exercise list. Scroll down to see the rest of the list, and the exercise you are currently working on will be in pink. Click X to return to the exercise page. Click on the second symbol from the left to read a description of the exercise. It is recommended you do this within the 15 seconds countdown to get an idea of how the exercise should look like. Once you finish, click X to return to the exercise page. Click on the back icon if you wish to go back to the previous exercise. Click on the next icon if you wish to proceed to the next exercise. You may pause or play the exercise at any time by clicking here. You could also change the speed of the video by clicking on the settings icon. Under video settings, you will see the default speed is set to normal. Click on normal and you will see options to slow down or speed up the video at different rates. Click on your favorable speed and click X to close the tab. Your video will now be running at your desirable pace. You can exit the exercise page at any time by clicking the X button on the top right corner. You will then have a choice to mark this exercise as complete or incomplete. Once you mark it as complete, you will see a tick beside your exercise list. The next time you access Curivate, you will be able to start where you left off.